AI projects fail less because of technology and more because of the wrong mindset. Most teams approach AI assuming certainty. CPMAI starts from the opposite assumption. In AI projects, learning is expected and uncertainty is normal.
Traditional project management focuses on delivery dates and predefined outcomes. CPMI shifts the focus to learning. The key questions become, what have we learned so far, and what does that change in our decisions? This shift completely changes how progress is measured.
In CPMAI, learning is not a side effect, it is a formal project output. Models are treated as hypotheses to be tested. Early validation reduces uncertainty and risk much more effectively than late accuracy improvements.
This mindset is critical in PMI-CPMAI exam scenarios. The best answer is often the one that validates assumptions before committing further. Optimization and scaling usually come after learning, not before. Rushing forward is frequently the wrong decision.
If you manage AI projects like traditional software initiatives, failure is very likely. CPMAI requires a learning-driven mindset. To see how this mindset is applied in real scenarios and exam questions, explore the full course on Udemy.